Ace Plumbing headquarters.
But the only rule is look down, because we got 2 dogs.
Oh, okay.
Our property goes, we probably got like 2 more acres back behind the tree line.
Really?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, that's
So
cool.
when our parents bought this property, it was just this housing structure, and the property as far as cleared land went right to where this asphalt
Okay.
is. And we got a tree guy, and so we cleared it all the way back. All the residential service trucks, they are on that side. That's our septic truck, and then our water line, sewer line up there. And then in that back warehouse, that's where we keep the pool behind jetters and stuff that has to be temperature controlled.
So this our shop.
Yeah, that's our shop. So this has been in operation for about 2 full years now. We've had this foundation board. This was just open air. We used to keep the trucks here, and then once we decided that we needed a warehouse.
You didn't say it like that, but yeah.
It's the truth. It's the truth. But we got 8 great guys. Now we have 2 helpers. Our most senior plumber, he's been with us about 10 years.
Dang. That's awesome.
Yeah. He was trained on the day in our guard, so like he is between him and our guard, like they do all of the high-end jobs for us. We have to go out to the municipality, do something on custom calling, online jobs.
Y'all do when you say you do municipality, you do municipality work?
So with the city of Lakeville, they're one of our
Okay.
customers.
Okay.
They don't have a plumbing department.
Okay.
And so last week they called and said, you hear water running in the walls.
Okay.
And we went out there, $4,000 project
Oh wow. Okay.
for it. And we had to put it on the water line. So we don't do like contracted work, or we don't put it in bid. We do work where they call us and like, hey, we have a problem. So y'all come out and fix it.
Gotcha.